and Hasib has asked us to give him an idea of a tutoring institution logo design. Hasib, my idea is all about shapes. I love my shapes on Canva. We could use the Canva assistant, or we could go to our lines and our shapes. We're going to start with our graduation cap, and we're going to click on our shapes, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. We're going to grab the arch up shape, and we're going to add it to our design. I want to use the gorgeous color, the gradient color that's blue, the linear gradient color, and I'm going to just adjust the linear grade color by going to its gradient format, and just, you can adjust it this way so that you have different formats and you can use whichever one you want. Once you've added it to your design, you're going to go to your border style and you're going to add a border weight, and you're going to make it like a 3, and you're going to change the border weight and make it gray so that it has that nice shape. You're going to rotate the shape and you're going to drag it, then you're going to reduce the size once you've dragged it so that it creates the graduation cap bottom section of the cap, and it looks like that. Then you're going to go back to your lines and shapes and you're going to grab the diamond shape and you're going to add it to your design. You're also going to change the color and make it the same color as our gradient color that we're using, and we are going to also drag the shape and add a border weight to it as well and make the color also gray, and then reduce that and align it to your bottom section of your cap, and your graduation cap is almost done. Then you're going to press L for a line. You're going to select the line styles and you're going to select the 3 dots or the dots, and then we just want the weight to be a little bit bigger, and we're going to reduce the shape of our line, and we'll change the color of that and make that also gray. Rotate that so that it's 90 degrees, and then move it to the side of your graduation cap and add it so that it is attached to your graduation, so that the gray is all together. Then you're going to add a circle. The graduation caps are always so fancy. We're going to make this red and we add it to the cap. And then lastly, you're going to go back to your shapes and you're going to grab a cloud. Reduce the size of the cloud so that it's that puffy shape at the bottom of your graduation cap. And you're going to group the shapes together so that your graduation, it looks cohesive. Then you're going to go back to your shapes and you're going to grab a cloud. With your cloud, we're just going to make it a little bit bigger, and we want the color to be black as our background, and we're going to go to our border style and we're going to have a weight, a thin weight, and then we change the color and make the weight blue. So depending on how thin you want your cloud to be, you can even make it even more thinner, like a 2. And then you're going to duplicate that so that you have 2, and then you have a third one. Then you make that third one a little bit bigger and you adjust your clouds to your liking. And then grab your graduation cap, move it to your clouds, go to your layers, make sure that the graduation cap is at the top of our design. And the last thing that you would do is to add text using your favorite text font. I like Cinzel Decorative, and voila, there's an idea. Like I said, you could replace the clouds with a rainbow and have a simple design that is going to help you get more people registering at your tutoring institution. Hasib, I hope this inspires you to create more and get more ideas. I honestly hope so. If you want to learn more about logo designs, we have a Canva course on Udemy right now. It's on special. We have a section dedicated to just logos. So jump in on our course while the special is on. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on our next video.